Kristen, I'm wondering, just in your experience, what's your thought on any applicants who took the digital LSAT and maybe there was a tech issue, if they do plan to in fact retake? How might you look at a retake given those circumstances?
Sure. So I think generally, it's much more common for people to retake. So retaking in general is not something that's particularly notable in and of itself. It's more notable where someone sees a huge score difference. So with the digital LSAT, I'm definitely expecting to see more people canceling, or to see larger score differences maybe if someone wasn't particularly comfortable with the digital format and needed sort of a dry run, but decided to keep the score. I know also there were problems with some of the locations for the September test, and July, obviously, we expect to see a lot of cancels with what, LSAC reported generally about the cancellation rate overall is hugely, 50% versus normally it's 5% maybe. So I don't think we will, again, retakes in general aren't a huge kind of red flag for us, but I think particularly as these first few test administrations with the digital format happen, we'll definitely be even more understanding of the idea of seeing cancellations or just seeing more retakes in general. I think if we start seeing 3-4 times people are taking it in pretty quick succession, then that's maybe a little bit more notable. But again, it's not, people have been retaking, 2 or 3 times. That's become so much more common in the past few years that, a retake in and of itself isn't particularly notable. And we obviously know which test administrations were digital. And so we can, hypothesize that maybe there were technical issues or just a different level of comfort with the digital format versus the written, the old school paper format.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.